where there was no resistance to European control, British control. Mr. Speaker, sir, it's a fact. It's a fact that some chiefs gave away land to impress European settlers. It is a fact that some chiefs exchanged land for some muskets, for some guns, or even for some food. That's a fact. Those lands were alienated then. Not a single millimeter of land has been ever alienated, legally or illegally, by Indo Fijians in this country. Yet, Mr. Speaker, sir, they are seen as a threat. That's a fact. That's how it's portrayed, Mr. Speaker, sir. And Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to quote, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to quote. And this is when, they used to wanted to have the right to vote. And there was a J.J. Ragg, we all know the Ragg family. J.J. Ragg said, he urged one of the chiefs, Tui Talevu, and this is a quote, he said, "We must endeavor to permeate the whole of the Fijian race," meaning iTaukei, "we must endeavor to permeate the whole of the Fijian race with the fixed idea that the granting of the franchise and equal status to the Indians in Fiji would mean the ultimate loss of all their lands and rights, and later their final extinction from the face of the earth." That philosophy, Mr. Speaker, sir, was ingrained very deeply, and it resonates in today's Fiji also. It resonates in the justification of 87 coup. It resonates in the justification of removal of the Chaudhry government in 2000. That is a fact, Mr. Speaker, sir. So if we are to look into the future, to build a strong economy, to build a strong nation, we must rid ourselves, exercise ourselves, get rid of all these ghosts from the past. It's a fact, Mr. Speaker, sir. Till today, in colloquial language in Fiji, if you say to somebody you're a Keidolo, it's a negative term. But there is a place called Dolo. There were people from Dolo who resisted British control. And today it's been imbibed in our culture that if you call anybody Keidolo, it's a negative term. But people from Dolo, there were 70 to 80 people killed. There's no standing British army. They brought in iTaukei people from the eastern divisions of Fiji and formed what they call the first native constabulary. There are people from Ra who were exiled to Kandavu because they resisted British control. That is not taught in our history. That is not understood. That is why, for example, when Ratu Sukuna did all the provincial the land stuff, Navosa was put together with Nadronga. Navosa was split up into other provinces. That's the reality. Don't romanticize the past. Don't put a narrative that is not true. We till today have people in Ba, in Nandi, complaining about the way the land was alienated to different Itokotokas and Matangalis because of political considerations at that point in time. Please, let's not romanticize. Because if you don't romanticize, if you talk about the facts, then you can actually have a better future. We can make the right decision.